What's going on, tech fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best budget smartphones in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these smartphones, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video and leave your answer in the comments section for us. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever about any of these products, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. The first budget smartphone we're going to show you today is the Motorola Moto G7 Power. Next up, we've got the Huawei Y9 Prime. The third budget smartphone we've got for you today is the Honor 20 Factory Unlocked Smartphone. If you're enjoying our video so far, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see new videos on a daily basis, just like this one. Next up, we've got the Motorola One Vision. And last but not least, we've got the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. Alright, tech fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which budget smartphone you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next slide for related product videos that you just might be interested in.